Hey everyone, welcome to Nambardar, where we tap into the wisdom of the Almighty who knows the secrets of all hearts. Today, let's explore something close to our hearts and faith. Jump in as we break down this profound phrase and make its beauty accessible to all. The phrase Abati de Rabbuthi Walji Lalkaf Bi Brukt Nam Seen is our starting point, wrapping us in the grace of the divine. It reminds us to begin every endeavor with the name of the one who holds the universe. This is not only a cultural practice but a powerful affirmation of our beliefs. So, the next time you start something new, remember to pause and honor this tradition. Embrace the blessings it brings and the peace it bestows upon our tasks. That's it for today on Nambardar. Stay tuned for more snippets that connect us to our roots and enrich our lives. Don't forget to share and reflect. Hey there, leaders of the land. Are you ready to create a prosperous future, not just for us, but for generations to come? It's time to strengthen the Nambardar unity now. If not now, then when? We, as the custodians of our community's well-being, hold the key to a better tomorrow. United, our decisions can pave the way for advancements in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. This unity isn't just about today, it's about our children's children and the legacy we leave behind. So let's stand together, collaborate, and embrace our responsibilities. By fortifying the Nambardar unity, we set forth a ripple of progress that will echo for generations. Remember, a unified approach today leads to an unshakable tomorrow. Join hands, make a difference, and let's ensure a bright future for the Nambardar lineage. Together, we thrive.
Hello, respected Nambardars, and those aspiring to be one. Did you know that the manifesto of the All Pakistan Nambardar Association, registered, emphasizes the legacy of Nambardari? Yes, it does. And here's what you need to know about securing a Nambardari grant for your son. The process isn't just about tradition. It's about responsible land stewardship and community leadership. Getting your